Hello you beautiful people. For today's vlog, mag-unboxing lang tayo. But before that, I would like to say thank you for those people who helped my Langga to make these things possible. I was really surprised. So anyway, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to all of us. So here it is. I would like to say thank you to Miss Jacqueline Lucero and Sarah Jane for making this possible. So actually, my Langga really made an effort to do these things. So here's a letter from her. It says, Merry Christmas, my Langga, and Happy Anniversary to us. I love you so much at sana magustuhan mo ang gift ko. Number 1. So, ito yung gift niya. Yes, this is the gift from her. It's actually Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. Yun na nga kasi nag-start ako ng vlogging. So, frustrated vlogging actually. So anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much for this beautiful gift from you, my Langga. I love you. I love you so much. So guys, I'm so excited para i-open natin to. So, let's go! Okay. Sa pag-unboxing natin, so let's make a scissor. Hindi pala siya scissor, hindi siya pwedeng scissor. So, kukuha tayo ng 1 minute. I'll find it here. Yeah, I have it. Kuha tayo ng blades. And para mabuksan natin siya ng maayos. Alright. Just be careful para hindi ka matusok. Hindi maging madugo ang Christmas nyo. I mean, hindi madugo yung New Year's nyo. Anyway, so mahina lang po yung boses ko kasi here at the office. So, hinaan na natin yung boses natin para hindi tayo makadisturb dun sa kabilang opisina. Anyway, this is my office, guys. Ayan. You know about the story of this combo? Combo mobile. Yeah, you know what's the story of this? Nung nag-start ako ng vlogging, may isang kaibigan ako from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Ang pangalan niya ay si Rain. Actually, he is a friend of mine. Tsaka kasama ko siya sa trabaho noon dati. Way back 10 years ago. So, lumipat na siya ng other company and I also in the other company. So, this guy was, nagba-vlogging na din siguro siya. I don't know what's the update. So, when I posted my vlog, I mean, yung clip lang. When I posted my clip doon sa Facebook ko, yun. Nakita niya yung pag-vlog ko is yung shaky masyado. So, sabi niya, dapat gumamit ka ng ganito, gatino nga, Osmo Mobile 3. So, itong picture na to, pinost niya actually doon sa Facebook Facebook page ko, doon sa comment section. And then, ito naman yung silangga ko, Sheila Mea. Ayan, ito naman si Sheila Mea. Nakita niya rin yung post na yun. And then, she advised me to buy something. And I told her, no, I can't buy that one because it's too much expensive. I cannot I cannot buy. It's because we have a lot of priorities. Yun nga, nagpapagawa kami ng bahay. And then, yung interior ng bahay is not yet fully good. Hindi pa siya maganda. So, not yet fully furnished. Ayan. So, we have a lot of things to do. Yun nga, marami pang gagawin sa bahay. So, guys, eto na siya. Osmo. DJI Osmo. Alright. And then, so what's this? Before that, ito muna yung i-open natin. So, check natin what's inside. Tadaan! Beautiful! Grabe naman to silang ako. Napaka-expensive mag-gift. Alright. Tadang! Wow! Beautiful! So, ganito pala siya. Lovely. Alright. So, I don't know how to use this one. So, explore muna natin. And then, may nakalagay siya, may mga instructions sa dito. So, ipa-follow niya lang ng instructions dito. And then, I think that's it. Yan siya. Dahan-dahan. Ay, nakakaano. Wow. So, ganito siya. Alright. I love it. I love it. I really love it. So yun na nga, I asked her na I can't buy this one because it's very expensive and we have a lot of priorities to do. That's why, yan, nilagay ko siya sa second list ko. So, yun. And then, so ito lang siya. Very handy siya, very light. And then, ano meron dito? What's this? Ano kaya ito? 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Dito nakalagay yung charger niya. Nakalagay yung charger niya. And then, what's the other things? Okay, ano to? Stand. So, para ano? So, dito yan ilalagay. Ayan, naka-attach siya dito. So, when you're going to use this one, tapos ilalagay mo lang siya sa table. Ayan, nakalagay lang siya sa table. So, rekta na siya, tatayo siya. Okay, next. What's next? Ano pang meron dito? I think that's it. Ano pa pala ito? Meron pa palang dudukutin. Is there something? Oops, what's this? So, holder. And what's this? Pouch. So, pouch para dito. May pouch na siya, may suitcase pa siya. So, beautiful. Maganda talaga siya. So, I don't know how to use this one. Sa ngayon, I don't know how to use this one. And let's figure out how to use this one. Tsaka, magbibigay ako ng comparison yung sa first video ko. If nakita nyo yung video ko doon sa when I'm shooting my video there in Heat Cave. Yeah. It's really shaky. Tapos, ano kasi yun, ano siya, medyo hindi maganda yung daan. So, you have to walk. So, yun. Naggaganon-ganon yung video ko. So, by next time, we will using this gimbal, Osmo Gimbal Mobile 3. So, let's make a comparison. Gagawa ko ng video na comparison using this Osmo Gimbal at saka yung walang gimbal na ginagamit. So, anyway, shout out lang. Salamat din kay Sarah dun sa spaghetti niya. Napakasarap ng spaghetti. Yeah, masarap yung spaghetti niya. So, actually, hindi kasi ako nakakakain masyadong spaghetti because I don't know how to cook it. Nag-request ako ng spaghetti. So, yun. Siguro oro mismo din nilang ginawa yung spaghetti na yun. And then, thank you to Jack. So, I was really surprised yesterday, during Christmas Day. I was really surprised to Jack. Kaya pala nagtataka ako. Itong si Jacqueline. Sabi niya, Kuya, punta ka dito sa bahay namin. I have something to give to you. So, normally si Jack, hindi naman niya nagbibigay sa akin ng mga gift. So, tinake for granted ko lang. So, nakailang beses siyang nag-message sa akin na pupunta din sa bahay nila, dun sa apartment nila. But anyway, maraming salamat at na-surprise talaga ako. I'm not expecting really. And yeah, na masarap yung spaghetti at masarap din yung ano ba yun, parang buko salad na kulay green. Buko pandan. Ayan. Masarap din yung buko pandan na gawa ni Jack at yung spaghetti na gawa ni Sarah. So guys, ayan lang mismo. Yun na lang muna for now. Ano ba to? If required, use din anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in your phone holder. Okay. Anti-slip. Para hindi mahulog. Okay. So, let's pack it off. Pack it off. Pack it off. Ooh! Lovely. Nakaka-surprise talaga. Makaka-sana oil talaga. Sana oil. China oil. Makaka-China oil talaga. Okay. Mag-explore tayo next video natin. So, paano siya i-clip? Ganito ba yun? Okay, yan. Okay. Ganito. So, it's lock. Phone camera. DJI. Bro, DJI. Expensive. Kaya hindi ko nga binili to kasi mahal. Alright. So, yun lang yun for today. Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa lahat ng sumuporta sa pagba-vlog ko. I mean, yeah. Kahit na yung mga videos ko is hindi ganun kaganda. So, yan, first time vlogger. Let's explore someday na gumawa tayo ng magandang video. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And thank you so much. I love you guys. I love you, Sheila May Torres.